Hello friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this very cute Christmas special card, and when you will open the card you will get a pop-up surprise. I have created this house, some trees and the penguin. Everything is handmade and hand cut. I have also added this handwritten sentiment, and this card is very easy to create and you will surely enjoy this tutorial. So let's start with the procedure. For this we need burnt umber distress ink, foam applicator, liquid glue, flower punch, hole punch, pencil, ruler, paper cutter, white color gel pen, scissor, white, light blue, light brown and dark brown color, thick sheets and any cardboard. First I am taking this light brown color thick sheet and making the heart. So marking from left side on 8 cm, just create one line. Now rotate your paper and on 10 cm mark on 3 and 0 cm. Similarly I am marking in the bottom. Now just join these markings and make a line like this. Now find out the center, that is 4 cm, and create the heart shape. Now I am marking on 2.5 cm from the heart, making one line, then mark on 6 cm from the bottom and again make a line. So now we need to cut the shape using scissors. So this is done. Now I am making some doors and windows using the same paper according to the size of hut. So there is no particular size, you can create according to your choice. So it will look like this. Now I am just distressing the edges of the hut using burnt umber color. You can also use vintage photo distress ink. Like this. Now I am just making some white color dash lines around the hut using my white gel pen. So this is done. So hut is ready. Now I have distressed the edges of the window and created dash line as we did for hut. Now I am cutting this window from the center to create some partitions inside the window using my paper cutter. like this. Now I'm taking one yellow color paper and connecting on back side of the window so that it will look like some light is coming from back side when you will connect the window to the house. Now just cut excess paper. So window is ready. Now I am just separating this right side part from the hut to create it little 3D. Now creating dash lines again. And now I will connect this separated part again. Before that I am connecting one piece of cardboard on back side of the hut to give it little 3D look. Now to connect this right side I am adding one piece of light brown color sheet. Just add glue and connect from back side of the hut. Like this. Now I will start adding all the elements which I have created. I have created roof and window shades, chimney, all things using the same method. So just adding all the parts one by one to the hut. So cute hut is ready. Now I'm taking this A4 size white color thick sheet and just folding this in half. This is having approx 250 GSM thickness. Now we'll connect our hut inside this. For this we need to create pop-up panel. This pop-up panel is approx 8 by 5 cm. I'm cutting two lines and just creasing the middle line and folding our flap. Now open your card and just pop this flap like this. Similarly, I am cutting two more slits from left and right sides. This is approx 1 cm broad slit. I am popping these two slits as well to add some extra elements. So this is done. Now I am taking this brown color card base which measures 36 by 21 centimeters. I have just folded this in half and now I am connecting my pop-up panel inside this brown card. So the base of the card is ready. Now I am connecting the hut in the middle pop-up panel. Now I have created some distressed edges of the card by adding blue color distressing, and also I have created some trees, and on the back side of the tree I have added piece of cardboard to give it little 3D look. I have given all the drawing templates in description box for your help, so you can download from there and just print out it. So I am adding some trees on both the sides of the hut. I have this cute bird sticker, so I am adding the sticker on the tree. Now I am taking one piece of white color strip. I am just folding this piece in 5 equal parts. Now just open all the parts and connect like this and make a square shape. Now I am connecting this square with left side tree, and on top of this I am adding this snowman. This snowman is also handmade. Now I am adding some snowflakes or the snow by adding some paper circles which I have created using hole punch machine. So I am adding these circles here and there randomly on the base, like this. Now I am decorating the upper edge using some yellow and red color paper triangles to give the card little festive look. Now I am adding Merry Christmas sentiment on the card. So the inner card is ready. Now we will decorate the card from outer side. So I am taking this 20 by 17 centimeter blue color sheet and adding on top of the card. Now I am taking this 20 centimeter long white paper and just creating some snow land by making random line. In the same way I will create some more panels for the snow land. It will look like this. Now I am adding all these panels one by one. So this is done. Now I have created these two cute paper penguins. I have given link of these penguins in the description box. And also I have created this Merry Christmas sentiment. So I am adding this on the paper strip. First I am adding the sentiment. Now I am adding penguins. On the back side of penguin also I have added some piece of cardboards to give it height. You can also add double-sided foam tape for the 3D look. Like this. Now I am adding some punched leaves and flowers on the upper corner. Now I am adding some triangle shaped trees to fill little gaps, and now I am adding some white color paper circles for the snowy effect. So after adding the snow, it will look like this. Isn't it very beautiful? So the cute pop-up Christmas card is ready. I am sure you will try this very soon. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Merry Christmas in advance. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.